Okay, dear students, in this class we are going to study chapter 7 following the Mahatma part 1. Okay, on the footstep of Mahatma part 1, that is also can be said. The person whom we recognize as Bapu, we all know Mahatma Gandhi as a Bapu, father of the nation and Mahatma. These are the name of this person, Bapu, father of the nation and Mahatma. In another, none other than the greatest human ever, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. The full name of Mahatma Gandhi is the Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He went to practice law to South Africa. Okay, do you know the LLB? To become a barrister or the lawyer, there is a getting the education study. It is called the law, study of law. So for the law study, he went to the South Africa. After acquiring the barrister degree, the Britishers had become the supreme empire over there by making the local inhabitants as slave. Now, while he was acquiring there in the South Africa this barrister degree, so in the South Africa, the Britishers, they have made the native inhabitants, means African peoples, they made them slave. Like British also made the Indian slave. Yes or no? Yes. So as they were also rule over the South Africa, and they made the African people slave. And that time they were believed that Africans were very black and the Britishers were completely white. So the whites are the supreme, okay, and the black peoples are very low. This was discrimination was spread by the Britishers in the South Africa. Means there are the different compartment in the train. First class, second class and the third class. So in the first class VIP compartment, only Britishers and white people can be sit. No other black people or any Indian can't be sit in that first class compartment. This was the discrimination. Okay. Compared to white, the Indian had very less right to enjoy, and the white people have so many rights. They can enjoy, they can freely move in the different places. Okay, the VIP and the first class compartment for white people only. That Indians were the black. We are also not completely white. We are also the black. Okay, so that is why we also have to enjoy the less rights. Gandhiji protested against this insult and injustice in the South Africa. He discovered the path of truth and non-violence to fight against injustice done to him. His fight was given the name Satyagraha. Now the incident was happened with the Gandhiji. While the Gandhiji was traveling in the South Africa by train, so he was don't know that rules of the Britishers, that only the white people can be seated in the first class compartment. So the Gandhiji was seated in the first class compartment. So some white people came there, and while they saw Gandhiji, he was look Indians and the black. So that is why they were staring at him, and they were talking with each other that why this black person is sitting in our compartment. Then they called the cop, means police, and police carried the Gandhiji and threw out of the train. यानी कि उनको ट्रेन से क्या कर दिया, बाहर फेंक दिया. So Gandhiji was felt so injustice. We are the human, and why these types of the discrimination? They are also paying the money for the compartment. Also, we are also paying. So why this discrimination for the human? So that is why Gandhiji was fought against this injustice and discrimination. And what was the weapon of Gandhiji? With which weapon he fought? With the gun? मिसाइल, नॉन वायलेंस एंड ट्रूथ, यानी कि सत्य बोलना और किसी भी तरह की हिंसा नहीं करना. ओके, ही what fought against this. His fight was given name Satyagrah. Satyagrah, the fight was launched by the Gandhiji. Okay, it was given name the Satyagrah. For your knowledge, Gandhiji went to see the Durban court. The judge ordered him to remove the pagdi. Now the Gandhiji also that time he was wearing the pagdi. Do you know before that Gandhiji has attired the cloth only dhoti? He was wearing the pant, shirt, coat, tie and pagdi. He was completely looked the modern man. Okay, so while he has made the tour around our country before, he was also very modern man. Gandhiji also wearing the shirt, pant, suit, boot and shoes. Okay, so he was also wore the pagdi. So in the Durban court, the judge ordered him to remove the pagdi. Judge ने क्या बोला, आप अपनी पगड़ी निकाल दो. Because do you know in the ancient time, in the earlier time, that pagdi was the our self respect. यानी कि वो क्या होती थी, इज्जत होती थी. इट वॉज अवर प्रेस्टाइज. यानी कि अगर पगड़ी को कहीं पे नीचे रख दिया यानी कि हमने अपनी इज्जत को नीचे रख दी. ओके, सो दैट इज वाई दे सेड रिमूव योर पगड़ी, दैट टर्बन ऑन हेड. Gandhi left the court but did not remove the turban from his head and sustain his self respect. This behavior was extremely appropriate by the Indians there. Okay, the Gandhi did not remove the pagdi. Instead of removing the pagdi, he leave the court. What he did? He leave the court. And this behavior of the Gandhiji, it was appreciated by all the Indians who were present in the Durban court. Now this struggle began in the South Africa under the leadership of Gandhiji. Indians had to suffer a lot, but they never did any violent act. And the struggle became successful, and it was taken note of by everybody. And this struggle, this satyagrah became the successful. Britishers also accepted the rights are equal for the black and white, both the peoples. The first class compartment is not only for the white people, it's also for the black people, because they also are paying the fees, rupees, fare. Okay, and all the discriminations which were prevailed by the Britishers, it was demolished. यानी कि वो सबको खत्म कर दिया गया. Now because of this satyagrah in the South Africa, the British, Indian and South African black people now all are living equally. Okay, so this is called the satyagrah that Gandhi started in the South Africa. For your knowledge, the full form name of the Gandhiji was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. The date of birth 2nd October 1869, and every year 2nd October we celebrate as a Gandhi Jayanti. Birthplace Porbandar Kirti Mandir. Mother name was Putli Bai. Father's wife name कस्तूरबा. स्पिरिचुअल मेंटोर यानी कि उनके आध्यात्मिक धार्मिक गुरु कौन थे? श्रीमद राजचंद्र वॉज द स्पिरिचुअल मेंटोर, आध्यात्मिक और धार्मिक गुरु. पॉलिटिकल मेंटोर गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले. गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले taught him about the politics, about the situation of the India, how to fight against the Britishers. Okay, autobiography, story experiment on truth, means Gandhiji has written himself his own book. अपनी लाइफ के बारे में उन्होंने जो बुक लिखी है, that is called the autobiography. Biography means about the Dirgh life. If the Dhey is right, it is called the biography. Okay, but if the Dirgh is right, his own life, it is called the autobiography. So Gandhiji has written his own life experiment on truth, written by whom? Gandhiji. That is, it is called the autobiography. Date? 13 January 1948. The Samadhi? Rajghat, Delhi. Father's name? Father's name? Karamchand Gandhi. Okay. This is the image 7.2. The founder of Natal Congress, Durban. Now to fight against the Britishers' discriminations for the black and the white people, that Gandhiji has established one foundation, one organization, okay, one party. Name was the Natal Congress, Durban. What name? South Africa. It was established in 1895 to protest against racial barrier. Gandhiji and other Indians established Natal Congress in 1895. Can you recognize Gandhiji in this picture? The person standing in the center with the cap is Gandhiji himself. Can you find out? Very thin person that is completely in the center, in the back side. Yes. Okay, can you see there is a tie, coat, turban and everything. So that time Gandhiji was very modern. But while Gandhiji was written, that after I will teach you why the Gandhiji attired the only dhoti, यानी कि उन्होंने ये सूट बूट टाई पगड़ी ये सब पहनना क्यों छोड़ दिया? Why? Okay, let's go to the further. Now after successful fight through Satyagraha in South Africa, Gandhiji returned to India in 1915. Underline, when did Gandhi return to India? The Gandhiji returned to India in 1915. At the age of 46 years. While the Gandhiji was at the age of the 46 year, Gandhi was returned to the India from the South Africa in 1915. Due to the success achieved against color discrimination in South Africa, the people at international level respected him. यानी कि पूरी दुनिया में उनको लोग इज्जत देने लगे, because he was fought for the humanity, to give the respect, to give the justice to the people against the racial discrimination. He was welcomed wholeheartedly at Mumbai's Apollo Airport, as per the saying of Gopal Krishna Gokhale. For the first year, Gandhiji toured the whole of India and tried to understand the requirement and condition of India. So while Gandhiji returned India, so in the first year, Gopal Krishna Gokhale said to Gandhiji that you had successfully fought against the racial discrimination with the weapon, truth and non-violence, and you got the success. So now the situation in India is also the same. The condition, the requirement of India, you need to know. Okay, that is why he advised to Gandhi, you have to tour to India. And that is why Gandhi started to tour to India. After touring the country for a year, यानी कि एक साल तक गांधी पूरे देश में घूमते रहे, Gandhi established Satyagrah Ashram in Kochrab. The first ashram was established by Gandhiji. The name was the Satyagrah Ashram in Kochrab. Gandhiji, Gujarat, on 25th May 1925. Satyagrah Ashram, underline this. Satyagrah Ashram established in Kochrab, Gujarat, on 25th May 1925. 1915, yeah, 1915 years. After a year, the ashram was shifted to the bank of the river Sabarmati, and that ashram was shifted to the bank of the river Sabarmati. And now, do you know this ashram is known as the साबरमती आश्रम, यानी कि कोजरब आश्रम था, उसको चेंज करके क्या का नेम कर दिया है, साबरमती आश्रम. Now Gandhiji has started first satyagrah, fight against the Britishers, in 1917. By which satyagrah? Champaran Satyagraha. You need to know the what is the Champaran Satyagraha. So Champaran was a place in Bihar. Champaran, what is it? Place in a Bihar near Nepal in Himalaya. यानी कि नेपाल की बहुत ही नज़दीक बिहार में एक प्लेस है चंपारण. दैट इज वैली. इट वॉज फेमस फॉर प्लांटेशन. द वैली इट वॉज फेमस फॉर व्हाट? प्लांटेशन. प्लांटेशन मीन्स planting a crops and grow plant. Do you know that how the tobacco and paddy is grown? It is sowed. It is by seeds there is sown. यानी कि उसमें सीड डाले जाते हैं. नो. हाउ इट इज ग्रोन? हाँ, यानी कि जो टॉबेको उसका प्लांट लाया जाता है और प्लांट को फिर प्लांटिंग किया जाता है. ओके, देन इट इज ग्रोन. इट इज कॉल्ड द प्लांटेशन फार्मिंग. नॉट बाय द सीड लाइक wheat. Wheat is grown by the seeds. Okay, cotton also by seed. But this tobacco, paddy, these are plantation methods carried out. So valley it was famous for plantation. The European landlord forcibly produced indigo on 320 portion of land and forced the farmer to sell it at lower price. Now in that time while the Britishers were rule over the India, so that time India was good producer of the indigo and the cotton. Nowadays we are wearing these jeans. Okay, this is made from the cotton and the blue color of this jeans, is it the indigo? Which color? Indigo color. So that is why that indigo is the one plant. Indigo क्या होता है? एक प्लांट होता है. So the Britishers were forcibly ordered to the Indian farmer to produce only indigo 328 portion of land. यानी कि 320 पार्ट का जितना लैंड होती है उसमें उनको सिर्फ क्या प्रोड्यूस करना है? इंडिगो. एंड ऑल्सो दे हैव टू सेल टू द ब्रिटिशर्स एट वेरी लो प्राइस फोर्सिबली. यानी कि ज़बरदस्ती वो उगाना है और वो फिर किसको बेचना है? डू यू नो नाउ ऑल्सो दिस 3 फार्मिंग लॉज ऑल्सो आर मेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट. अकॉर्डिंग दिस ऑल्सो व्हाट दैट सम private owners will occupy or will make the agreement with the farmer, and what will they say? You have to produce that only, and what price will decide by them with the agreement, they will pay us to that only. But if the goods, the produce of the crop is not good quality, they will not pay according to decided in the agreement. Okay, so this was the situation same in that time also. Okay. So on the request of Rajkumar Shukla, Gandhiji decided to inquire about this issue, but before the inquiry could start, he was given the order by magistrate of Champaran to leave the district with immediate effect. Gandhiji disrespect this notice. Now the Raj Shukla of the native of the Champaran, he invite Gandhiji. He requests to Gandhiji to take notice and inquire this Champaran. So before the Gandhiji went to the Champaran, the magistrate, the British magistrate of the Champaran, he noticed to Gandhiji leave this Champaran as immediate effect. यानी कि जितना जल्दी हो सके आप चंपारण को छोड़ दो. That means what? यानी कि इंडियंस होते हैं वो अपने देश में कहीं भी नहीं जा सकते हैं. It is a slavery. Yes or no? Okay. So गांधी disrespect this notice. यानी कि गांधी जी ने उस मजिस्ट्रेट की इस नोटिस को ध्यान में लिया नहीं. गांधी prepare a list of problem of farmer and presented it before the British government. Gandhiji stayed in Motihari village of Champaran and fought for this issue. Ultimately, Satyagraha arrested the attention of people all over India. Okay, and as immediately the Satyagraha also kept the attention, and this Satyagraha, become the famous, and all people knew about this satyagraha all over the India. Second is the Kheda Satyagraha. So first satyagraha is for the plantation of the indigo, that Britishers were forcibly to produce the indigo product crops in the 3/20th portion of the land, and also they have to sell this indigo to the Britishers at very low price. So what will the Indian farmer will get? They will get a profit? No. Second is the Kheda Satyagraha 1917 to 1918. Kheda district, we all know the Kheda district. Before 4-5 years we were also in the Kheda. Yes, and our district also was done in the Kheda, but that changes have been made. Now we are living in the Mahisagar district. So the Kheda district experienced heavy rainfall in the year 1917, and due to the heavy rainfall, what will be the happen? The crops destroyed. Crops will not grow in the more quality. Okay, so the agriculture production was destroyed. Still the British government, instead of having of the tax, अब crops हो गए वो पूरा बर्बाद हो गया है. Then also Britishers were forced to the Indian farmer that they have to pay tax. Now they haven't any money. Even they took the loan to produce their crops, to cultivate the crops. They have to first pay the interest of their loan. If they haven't paid the interest of the loan, then may their field also will be captured by the landlord. Now they haven't any money, they have to pay taxes too. From where they will pay? वो खुद खाना खाएंगे, अपना जो ब्याज लिया है जो खेती करने के लिए उसको पे करेंगे, और फिर जो गवर्नमेंट का टैक्स है वो देंगे. What they will do? In this situation what they were doing? They were selling their land. अपनी ज़मीन क्या करते थे? वो बेच देते थे, और उससे वो टैक्सेस और जो ब्याज होते थे इंटरेस्ट वो भरते थे. सम टाइम ऑल्सो दे वर सेल द ज्वेलरीज टू द लैंडलॉर्ड्स टू पे द टैक्सेस. खाना खाने के लिए कुछ नहीं, लेकिन टैक्स भरो. व्हाट इज इट? इट वॉज अ गुड very worse situation for the farmer in the India during the British rule. Okay, so under the leadership, having tax, try to collect the tax from farmer. So under the leadership of Gandhi ji, the farmers started satyagraha in front of the British. Gandhi told the farmer, we will not pay the tax until the government accept our demand. यानी कि जब तक गवर्नमेंट हमारी डिमांड एक्सेप्ट नहीं करती है तब तक हम टैक्स पे करेंगे नहीं. Who said this? Gandhi ji said, we will not pay the tax until the government accept our demand. Paying respect to the protest waked by Gandhi ji, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel left his advocacy. Now Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel also advocate. He was also studied about the law. देखो ये सब इकट्ठे हुए वो सब कौन है? सभी लॉयर है. All are the lawyer. Okay, so he's also left his advocacy. Means Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel also have the very good salary, suit, boot, coat, pagdi, everything. He was living the very normal life. No need to do struggle. But Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel left his advocacy for what? For the people of India, to make our country free from the British rule. He left his. Okay. And Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel left his advocacy and joined the satyagraha. Gandhiji wrote a letter to the commissioner that if the tax of farmers who are not in poor condition, okay, will be waived off, then only the prosperous ones will pay the tax. Means the farmer who are poor, don't take the tax from there. Okay, you can take the taxes from the farmer who are the rich. यानी कि जो अमीर farmer है, who has the very big and huge amount of the land, okay, you can collect the tax from that farmer. Okay, at the end of the collector passed an order for the same in 1918, and the movement was successful. And because of this Gandhiji's letter, the collector, British collector also passed the same order that they will not collect the tax from the poor farmers, but the British government will collect the tax from the only rich farmer. In the 1988, and the Kheda Satyagraha also become the successful. The movement or satyagraha of Kheda was not important from result point of view, but it was important from the viewpoint of principle. The result was very less because there was not too much struggle for the farmer and for the Britishers. No one were arrested or nothing else. It was happened. But the principle means non-violence and the truth, that was the most important. Okay, they got the success via the weapon, non-violence and the truth. There was a new awakening among the farmer. The fear from British became the less. Just wait. The nation recognized, devoted and committed leaders like Gandhiji and Vallabhbhai Patel.